We're presently trying to get ready for the pumpkin giveaway, which will be this Saturday. Got a lot of work to do. Picking little pumpkins and get them so we can get the vines out of the way and get the water lines picked up. And we'll have quite a bit of carrots left and stuff to pick, and a lot of potatoes and stuff. Some of it will go to the people that are out here for the pumpkin giveaway. It's going pretty good. A lot of work.
But the pumpkin crop this year,
I tentatively counted the big pumpkins. There's right around 400, and then we got 200 over here on a trailer, so it'd probably be 600 to 700, and then probably about 300 to 400 small pumpkins too. Been kind of a different year. Some of the vines didn't put on, and some of them only got 2 or 3 on, and where normally they get 5, 6, 7 to a vine. There's just too much heat and not enough water. Even though we have run water as fast as we could, but rain is what we needed to kind of catch up and soak up the ground. And so it's come out a lot better than I thought. We got a lot of cabbage, and we've got a lot of cucumbers, and I've got some real good watermelon and stuff to go to. So all in all, today isn't too bad for 2021.